This is Jonah Jameson. Roger, over. Is this thing on? Listen, Scope. Crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Did you see that? The spider signal! With Spider-Man nearby, trouble can't be far away. And you know what trouble means. Headlines! National coverage! So don't screw this up! Good luck. Man, you shouldn't be out here. With Doc Ock on the loose, this could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Nice shades. Is that Spider-Man? That no good and red leotard? Oh.
Dr. Octopus, everything's going as planned.
Excellent. And with my anti-gravity cannon, even Spider-Man won't be able to stop me.
You mean stop us?
Yes, of course.
Hey, what's going on?
What was that? Intruders! If you think you're getting out of here, you're in for it.
Out of the way, they're mine!
So much for being careful. Just get back to the bugle and... Incoming!
Don't leave now! Things are just starting to... Well, it's good enough for your sitting duck friend. Have a nice break.
Hey, wait for me! You're not insured for this! Hang on, I'm letting you down from here.
You punks have short-circuited our plans long enough!
You're taking a dive.
Guess again, Super Goo!
Spider-Man!
Happy landings!
No! Guess that wraps things up. You guys did all right. But don't give up your day job. Say cheese. See you later. Congratulations.